Hi guys, this is Joseph from Shegu World Graphics. Today I wanted to take you to see one of the biggest waterfall in this area, but because of the rain, I have not been able to reach the place. Actually, it is very slippery, especially when you reach the entrance. So now I'm coming back from that place. But you can, if you look at the video, as I'll show you, you'll see a lot of very good vegetation on this area. The rains are great. So let's take the journey now, guys, because I'll take you there again to watch some animals in the forest and the waterfall once the rain subsides. At the moment, this road can just take me up to only to the entrance. From the entrance to the forest, it's a big distance, and then there is no good road, of course, in the forest. So, and if we get stuck there now, guys, maybe the animals will really get a problem with us. So let us go. Let's see this journey. Let's see this vegetation and wait for that day that we are going to see the waterfall and the animals in the forest. So as you can see, this is how the roads look like. So you can see the roads I've been driving through. I've been driving for the last 2 hours because the road is not very good. Look at the water. I met the place and rained so much this afternoon, so I was not able to make any entrance to that place. But then that's not look at that. That is not discouraging us. I'll go and show you all that. So meanwhile, now we can be able to enjoy and drive on this road. The road is too rough. Although it is actually, it's more or less all weather up to the forest gate, but from there it is very difficult to drive. You cannot even drive an inch from the gate of the forest, and then the distance you cannot also walk because it's wrong distance. So let's continue seeing this journey as we move ahead. So guys, when you look at the weather looks very bad today. When I came far away, but it was not raining until I arrived in this area, and we had very big rainfall. So I could not be able to proceed beyond when I was actually more or less. I was almost 3 kilometers to the gate of the forest, but then when I asked, I was told I cannot pass beyond the gate. So this is nice. And look at the roads. Look at the roads, guys. Look at what I've been driving through. Last 3 hours, I was expecting that it will subside, but it didn't subside. The rains didn't. They kept on increasing, and here being a rainy season, every kilometer I was covering, I was fearing that I would get stuck. Bearing in mind I didn't know the place, and I was using Google Map to go to that place. So I was only 3 kilometers away from the place when I made a decision to turn back and wait for another day. Look at the farms here. They look like extensive farming. Here people farm using tractors. It's a very productive area. Look at the other side of the road. Look at this side. like it will rain any minute from now again. Look at this farm. Look at guys at this vegetation. You might think you are somewhere in Europe, and this actually right in the middle of the equator. The equator is not far from here, but it is on the slopes of a big mountain. The mountain that is covered by snow most of the time, even during the very hot seasons here, which is called the Mount Kenya, the mountain. It is actually snow covered. One day I'll take you a trip there and capture that mountain for you, guys. If you look at this place, look at the greenhouses quite ahead, and the ones we have just passed behind, and it's kind of cedar trees. So look at how they fence the farms here. This is an electrical fence, so we dare not touch it. You can see, to prevent all the animals away from the farm. There is a ground band. I can see a ground band there, but you might not be able to see it clearly. It's quite far for the camera. I don't know if I zoom around, you can be able to see. Yeah, you can see that there's a ground band there. And that's in the farm there. So the place has a lot of barns and other small animals. Look, kind of vegetation I find here. So let us proceed, guys. Let's proceed to the next destination and see what. So, guys, this is the far I've been able to make it today for this video. I've not been able to accomplish my goal. The goal was to take you to one of the best waterfalls in this region, and see also some other animals. Cross another kind of suspended bridge that attracts a lot of tourists on the area. But I will be able to take you there. This is not a discouragement. I've also learned a lot. I've also seen this climate. I've loved the climate. If you look at the vegetation here, the place looks very nice, very cool, and it's very nice for farmers, for farming, for touring. And if you have never been to Europe and you come to this place, then immediately you might think that you're in Europe. And look at what is behind me. Very nice vegetation. Personally, I'm an enthusiast of environment. I love environment. I love nature. I love animals. I love so many things, and I'll be taking you quite a bit of these journeys to see. There are quite a number of destinations I've highlighted, but because of the lanes, I'm not able to make to most of them at the moment. But once the rains subside in like a month or so, I'll be able to show you all these places, all of them, and we are going to be in a very good educative and an environmental awareness kind of campaign. You'll also see quite a bit of unique animals that you haven't seen on this place or in other places which are prevalent in this area. Hey guys, I'm almost near the road. I'm coming back now to kind of civilization. But you look ahead, you see what I will show you what kind of environment I've come from and where I've been driving through, so that you can see that it was not in vain. So guys, let me stop a little bit here, show you some things. First of all, guys, look. Look, the place actually, it's almost raining again. That is the highway where you can see the vehicles now. At least now I'm near the tarmac. But look at where I've come from. Look at the places I've been driving through. Look. I was afraid that I'll get stuck each and every minute. This is where I've come from. But at least we'll make it better next time, guys. So this is the tarmac, guys. This is the tarmac. Now we are almost there in the tarmac. This is now I'm going back. Maybe another 5 kilometers I'll be back home. So see you guys on that road. See the road sign. Guys, it's kind of raining again. But you look at this vegetation. Here the farmers here grow, these are extensive farms. Farmers here grow barley, they grow wheat, they grow things on an extensive way. If you look the other side, they have done afforestation. You can see there is a combine harvester parked somewhere. I don't know if they can be able to see it clearly. You can see there's a combine harvester just somewhere there in the bush. But not the bush, in the farm. Hey guys, now we come to the end of this video. Kindly subscribe to our channel, give it a like, share it, and let us meet in the next video. Thank you very much.